For the first time in 100 years, we are facing a devastating crisis. The world today is a far cry from the world of yesterday. So where does that leave us tomorrow? Our lives have been disrupted. Our businesses have shut down. Our jobs have dissipated. Fearing for our lives, we stayed home. Did we take things for granted, not realizing how suddenly it could all go? What good is innovation if it can't help us when we need it most? We live in unprecedented times. We are interconnected. And our goods, services, and products are in constant movement, weaving industries, bridging geographies, shaping supply chains, seamlessly brought together to form the backbone of our global economy. But what happens when these systems are shaken at their core? As the world debated the fourth industrial revolution and how it would usher in a new era of prosperity, a global pandemic erupted, exposing supply chains to rifts and faults. Strained by protectionism and geopolitical tension, the free flow of goods came to a halt. Though technology is often blamed for instability, it is technology that has kept us afloat. And now, it's on us. The businesses, the governments, the people. We must adapt. We must evolve, and we must collaborate to build more responsive, more resilient, and more inclusive value chains. Now, we are united in our mission to restore economic prosperity, and we are committed to marching towards an inclusive and sustainable future. Welcome to the third and virtual edition of the Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit.